Hello. At this time, our school district is in the process of whitelisting various applications using technology that do maintain a privacy agreement that protects students' data and privacy. It's expected that any app that you do use um, does maintain and does not collect student data and maintains the privacy. And we won't really have a whitelist till hopefully some point this school year as the purchasing department is being used to create these agreements with any vendors out there. So if you have an app that you're not sure if you can use, you can always send it to purchasing. They will work to create a agreement with that particular technology app or company. But just remember, it is a little bit time consuming, especially with distance learning going on throughout the entire state. Um, so instead of just to protect yourself and make sure you're following FERPA and COPA and Ed Code, which has us make sure that student data is protected. This website that I provided in the links in the Google Classroom is a little bit. It's called the California Student Privacy Alliance, and the directive that we were told is if while we're waiting for that whitelist, if you have a question about a specific app, you can go right here where it says search by resource, and you'll see a bunch of resources on here. For example, I know a lot of us do use Edpuzzle, so I can kind of scroll down until I find Edpuzzle and see if they have user agreements with other districts, especially districts around. So you can kind of see that um, they do have some agreements with other districts. You know, some local, some not local. So you can kind of use this to tell yourself, okay, we can use this app for now. Eventually, our school district would be added to this page as we create a data use agreement with with specific vendors. So, a rule of thumb, if you're worried about it, um, before you use any app, I would recommend you check this little database here and just get an idea if the data is collected by the company and if it follows the COPA and FERPA and EDCODE procedures. And if not, I would not use that app because it could be collecting data and violating our students' privacy, which is definitely something we don't want to have happen. Let me just check Kahoot real quick personally because I need to know if I can still use it. And I can see that it's in use and it has an active agreement. So it's just kind of a way to, at least what's been recommended to us, to make sure that we are using apps that are protecting student data and not violating any sort of ed code or COPA, FERPA um, issues.